My name is Henry Ahigbo, and I came from Nigeria. The problem I had was eyes cataract, and I came, Dr. Upasana attended to me surgery, and after that, my eye became good. And Asian Hospital, I recommend any person all over the world, you come to Asian Hospital, you will get the best results. The officers, the staffs, they are loving, they care, they are good. I never see such hospital before since I was born. So they care for me, they do good to me, they help me in the way I cannot explain. So I'm using this medium to tell the world, when you have a problem, come to Asian Hospital. You will get the best care and result. That's what I want you to know. Asian Hospital, I thank God for them. They know what they are doing. They are good people.